In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub. Before you create a listing, the first thing you need to do is make sure your tickets can actually be transferred. To check that, sign in to your Ticketmaster account and go to My Events. From there, select the event you want to sell and look for the transfer tickets option. This is important because some events do not allow transfers or resale. If you do not see a transfer button, you will not be able to deliver those tickets through StubHub, so it is best to confirm this right away before spending time setting up the listing. Once you know your tickets are transferable, open the StubHub website or app and sign into your account. After that, click or tap Sell to begin the listing process. StubHub will then guide you through finding the event you want to list. Search for your event carefully and make sure you choose the correct event date and venue. This part matters because even small mistakes can create problems for buyers later. After selecting the right event, enter your ticket details. You will typically need to provide the number of tickets, the section, the row, and the seat numbers if those apply to your tickets. Then set your selling price. Take a moment here to double check everything, because accurate details help your listing look more trustworthy and can prevent delays if the tickets sell. After that, review the full listing before publishing it. Confirm that all the event and seat information is correct, and then add or verify your payout method so StubHub knows where to send your payment once the sale is complete. When everything looks right, click List Tickets to publish the listing. Now it is time to wait for a buyer. If your tickets sell, StubHub will notify you through your account and by email. Be sure to read any instructions they send, since timing and delivery steps are very important when completing a resale. When the tickets have sold, go back to your Ticketmaster account. Open My Events again, select the event that sold, and tap Transfer Tickets. Enter the buyer's email address exactly as provided by StubHub, then select the correct tickets and confirm the transfer. Accuracy is especially important here because sending the wrong tickets can lead to complications. Finally, return to StubHub if prompted and confirm that you have transferred the tickets. StubHub will then verify the transfer and send your payout based on its payment schedule. And that's how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub from start to finish.